The Vandal Healing Garden and Memorial is really meant to reflect the needs of our community, and that means reflecting the needs of the individuals in our community. You could hire professionals to do this, but in this case we feel like to actually do what we're trying to do, it needs to be the students. If anybody's going to understand what vandals need, it's vandals. We wanted to make sure that this project was a result of listening. We've talked to everybody from experts on suicide prevention. We've talked to family members. We've talked to friends.
The families were very positive. I mean, they wanted to express that their children that they lost were vibrant people. Ethan, Xana, Madison, and Kaylee were all very vibrant, happy, joyful people.
When we took on this project, we took on this project with the understanding that we were carrying the heart of the university.
That really changed, I think, the tone that we were putting into the project and how we really wanted to represent these people.
We're looking to memorialize the 4 students we lost in November of 2022. We're also looking to memorialize all the students that the university loses before they make it to graduation. Right after graduation, we got out here and started working.
They're learning new skills. There's a lot of people who slipped on their muck boots for the first time today. Every time we break ground, it's a big moment for me where you can really see the students shift into this idea, this moment where they're realizing that this thing they've been working on for the community is about to happen.
To see the progress that we've made and see everything really coming together, it's like indescribable, really.
Just a group of architecture students trying to do the best that we can for something really unfortunate that happened. I think the hardest part really is just trying not to mess up.
My role is to help them understand that it is okay to mess up. That it's expected that you mess up. Don't kick yourself. Let's just adjust it. We'll make it right.
We aren't getting the typical summer vacation that people get, but this is probably the most rewarding summer most of us will ever have.
They're here through the weekend. They're here late at night. They will do something for the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th time just to make sure that it's just right. Not that the project's about that hard work, but it is about caring.
There he goes. So this morning we've put in the first pieces of our main memorial for Xana, Ethan, Kaylee, and Maddie.
It's been over a year and a half, almost 2 years in the making.
The memorial piece is everything that we've worked towards. It's honoring the people that this whole project was made for.
It was emotional. It was emotional to see that culmination of all that work actually make its way onto site and into place.
Seeing the structure go up was like a big wow moment for us.
We're really trying to send this message of joy and life and hope throughout the entire garden.
There's over 1,000 of these shelves that'll have hand-built votives that hold candles.
We were working on the blocks that are in the walls here before we were even allowed to come and break ground on site. In just one individual block, there's at least 6 to 8 cuts. The idea is that people can take these out and they can have their note that they wrote, they can place it in there.
This might be one of the most emotional projects, I think, in my entire life.
I didn't think I could work this hard and push through so much. There's been a few of us who have gone through some personal loss. I lost my grandpa during the first semester and it was really tough. I hadn't experienced something like that before. And I'm so grateful and blessed to have all these students by my side. So them and the project just helped me a lot.
All the hard work and dedication and the passion that really went into building this thing is something that'll drive me personally.
I'm excited for this to help everyone else the way it helped me, and I know it helped a lot of other people too.